Finally, I made it. Today we are in Brindavan Garden and it's just so wonderful, peaceful and so magnificent. Have a look at the garden. See, see there. Apparently, you can see me walking here. And you can see very beautiful environment all around, so green, having a walk around the garden. So come along with me, let's enjoy the beauty of nature. How beautiful it is. It's so beautiful. Loving it. You can find variety of flowers. So beautiful flowers. Check out the color of flower. It's so blossomed, and the fountains. Wow, it's just so wow. All purple color flowers. Wow. This Vrindavan garden has been started in 1932 and it is just adjoining the Kaveri river, and there is a dam backside of it, and it's just so attractive, and most of the tourists come here to visit, and it is 12 kilometers from Mysore. Okay, and very beautiful place. You can just see very greenery, very beautiful. Hi guys, you can just check the water fountains. They are so attractive. First time I'm being to this Vrindavan garden, and it is very beautiful, very wonderful. I am just loving it, and I think it's the best among all the gardens I have ever been to, and just too good. Now you're gonna watch the Vrindavan garden from my fish eye. I think they are very tired and going to sleep over here. It's a wonderful place to chill out. Check out the green garden. Vrindavan garden, just so awesome.
Hi. Goke singa mal kaita akachi.
Right now it is 12:30 p.m. and it is damn hot. Very hot. I'm just sweating like anything, but still I'm just loving the view and this beautiful flowers. I cannot just take my eyes off, and you can just see backside there are so many plants. They are just growing, and it's really good to see all these things. And usually we don't get to see like this. I'm really not sure whether my camera, my mobile phone will do the justice to this beauty or not. It does not capture the real beauty that you can just see from your naked eyes. Let's climb up the stairs. Just sitting beside the fountain. Wow, it just gives a cooling effect. Yeah, but there is a fishy smell. Let's get off. Let's check out. There is a rock garden. So let's get into the Vishweshwaram aquarium. Let's check out the fishes out there in aquarium. Entry fees is 10 rupees per person. So now we are just planning to go back. There is a boating, but we didn't go there because it's very hot, and it's not possible, with kids. And there are so many monkeys. See, can you see on the bridge? Down, and we'll have food in Ashirwad Grand Hotel. So we got the South Indian food over here, and a beautiful view outside. Yes. And I'm waiting for my North Indian meal, but okay, so we got the North Indian meal over here. Wow, it looks so yum. What all we have got in the North Indian meal? We have got a kulcha, papad, biryani, and so many sabji and gulab jamun. Wow, a full meal. We didn't get anything. And this is
ghee rice.
ghee rice.
Curd rice.
Curd rice.
Curd rice. Somebody did vinegar.
Curd rice.
Actually, Jay is a matter to start. 가슴 어느 가운데 가라 가고 있나 서는 가운데
가슴도 다시 온다. We have got a complimentary ice cream